Today I'll show how to buy shares of Rani Therapeutics Holdings Inc, ticker RANI. Rani is a biotech company developing oral delivery for large molecule drugs, and its shares trade on the NASDAQ. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice, and not a recommendation. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker RANI to find the company listing. Make sure you select the correct Rani Therapeutics Holdings Inc entry in the results before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and the price chart showing recent trading activity. Double-check the company name, ticker RANI, and that the market is NASDAQ to confirm you have the correct stock. To buy, click the Invest or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade can be completed. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. For the platform link and more details, see the description below.